In this demonstration session, I will show you how you can quickly use the oscilloscope. Alright, the first thing is to click the oscilloscope probe to the internal square wave generator. Okay, the next thing is to adjust the vertical scale. This is where you do the adjustment. As you adjust this knob, you notice the value here change. This value indicates 500 millivolt per 1 division. Alright. Okay, likewise, you adjust the horizontal scale using this knob. Okay, as you adjust that, you notice that this value change. Alright, so now it's showing you 100 microsecond per division. Okay, I will change it to 250 microsecond. Alright, the first thing to do is to try to trigger the signal. Okay, what is meant by trigger is to keep the signal stationary on the screen. As you can see now, the signal is not stationary. Alright, okay, to trigger the signal, you will have to adjust the trigger knobs, which is over here. Press this menu button. Okay, now since I'm using channel 1, make sure the trigger source selected is channel 1. Okay, you can change using this button, but since I want channel 1, you make sure that this is selected to channel 1. Alright, okay, then the next thing you need to do is to adjust this knob here, okay, which will move this little triangle over here. So make sure you adjust the triangle to within the peak-to-peak signal. Alright, you notice now it is stationary because the triangle is within this level. If you move the triangle to below, you notice now the signal is again not triggered. Alright, so let me repeat. How you do that is you adjust this level knob, okay, moving the triangle to within this level. Okay, at this moment the signal is triggered. Alright, okay, next thing I would like to show you is setting the ground. Okay, you press this button. Okay, you notice now is a straight line indicating this is a DC mode. So press this button again. This is showing a sine shape, meaning that this is the AC mode. Press this again, this is the ground mode. Okay, at this ground mode, this is where you adjust the ground level. So now I move this ground level to here. So what you are saying is that you are treating this level indicated by this little triangle here as the 0 volt reference. Okay, so now turn it on by pressing this. You notice the square wave actually is swinging from this level, which is the 0 volt level, to this level, which is 4 division above the 0 volt. So therefore this level has to be 2 volt. Okay, the reason is 4 divisions times 500 millivolt gives you 2 volt, this level. Alright, okay, you can use the cursor to help you do simple measurements. So press this button. Okay, now to measure the peak to peak, you use these 2 horizontal lines. Press this button, press again, the top line is highlighted. So you can do the adjustment using this knob here. Alright, so watch as you adjust the knob, you notice this top vertical line moves. Position to the top level. Next, press this line again. Okay, position the bottom level here, and here shows you the peak to peak level. Okay, the delta symbol here shows you the voltage difference between the two lines, which is 1.96 volt. Alright, likewise you can measure the period. Okay, first let me turn off this. Okay, press this button, press again to adjust the left line. Okay, position to one of the edges. Next, press this, you can position the next line here to the next edge. Okay, so now it's showing you the period, alright, for one cycle. Okay, so the difference is shown here, 1 millisecond, and the frequency is 1 kilohertz.